In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a preloader to your Shopify store. Adding a preloader can greatly enhance your site's user experience by displaying a loading animation while your content is being loaded. This simple addition can make your site appear more professional and engaging. To begin, head over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, look for the search bar. It's usually at the top of the interface. Click on it to focus your search and then type in apps. If it doesn't show up automatically, just ensure you type it in fully to find it. After accessing the apps section, you will notice there is an option labeled All Recommended Apps. Click on this to see a broader selection of applications available to you. Next, you'll want to find the link that says Discover More in the Shopify App Store. Clicking this will take you to a larger marketplace of apps you can incorporate into your store. Once you're in the Shopify App Store, it's time to make use of the search bar again. Click the search bar and type in Preloadify. This app is designed to help you create loading animations that enhance the user experience, turning waiting time into a wow moment. Find the app name Preloadify, turn wait to wow in the search results and click on it. This is the app you'll be installing. You should then see an Install button. Click on it to start the installation process. Remember, after this initial step, you may be prompted to confirm the installation by clicking Install again. Some apps require a double confirmation just to ensure you're ready to make the addition to your store. After the app is installed, navigate to the app settings by clicking Open Settings. Here, you might encounter a tutorial. For now, you can skip it by clicking the X if you'd like to proceed faster. Look within the app settings for the option that says Enable Preloadify App Embed. If this isn't already enabled, make sure to turn it on. Enabling this is crucial as it integrates the preloader functionality into your site. Once that is done, remember to click Save to confirm your changes. Now you can exit the application settings and click on View Your Store to see your finished work. At this point, you should notice a loading animation on your storefront. But don't worry if it's not to your liking just yet. You can always return to your settings in Preloadify to tweak the preloader to better meet your design preferences. It's a helpful way to ensure your site looks and feels exactly as you envision. That's it for adding a preloader to Shopify. With this feature set up, you're bound to create a more engaging experience for your visitors. Don't hesitate to explore other features and customizations the Preloadify app offers to further enhance your storefront. Thanks for watching.